Hi, this is Amla Reddy, Associate Editor for Commercial Integrator, and I'm delighted to have Kurt DeYoung from Nanolumens joining in for a discussion on video walls and digital signage as part of our Videowall Digital Signage Deep Dive, which will be in our April spotlight on commercialintegrator.com, as well as in our April edition of the Commercial Integrator and Security Sales and Integration magazine. Welcome, Kurt. So great to have you here today.
Yeah, great to be with you as well. Thanks for having us today.
Absolutely. So let's get started. Can you talk a little bit about your title and your role at Nanolumens?
Sure. So my name is Kurt DeYoung. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for Nanolumens. I joined the company in 2021, and really my day-to-day responsibilities here are shaping our commercial and marketing strategies that really support our partners. We are focused on really developing very strong ecosystem partnerships that really support the segments or communities where we're very relevant. And we have a really strong understanding of the markets where we add value versus simply offering a suitable solution. So we're not focused everywhere, but we're very focused on those markets where we feel like we add value for the buyers, the end users, and the consultants that are involved in these segments.
Wow, that's amazing. So, can you talk a little more about Nanolumen's latest innovations in the video wall and LED space?
Sure, absolutely. I think, from our perspective, there's a lot of different video wall products in the market, and I think a lot of people are chasing specifications, but the three areas where we're really focused is developing greener platforms to offer into the market. First off, secondly, we're really focused on expanding the degrees of freedom where we're using LED technology as really a building material. And third, and also very important, is figuring out how to allow our partners as well as integrators to really perform remote monitoring and management to empower our partners through connected displays. So when we focus on the eco-friendly or the greener solutions, we're really focused on making all of our solutions more efficient, and we believe that that's going to be one of those leading edge elements where customers are really going to be focused on improving the performance of their overall installation, but really focused on a different buying criteria, in my opinion, in the future. The second part of it is, we've always focused on delivering custom products, delivering curved solutions, and what we've really kind of thought about is how do we kind of augment that, and not only through product but also through design support, whether that's with our special projects group or online tools like our Nano Designer solution, which is online today and available for all of our customers. And third is really the remote monitoring and management, which really is empowered through our NanoSuite platform that really allows our customers and our partners that are looking for ways to enable their teams to work smarter and really understand how their assets are operating on a day-to-day basis.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And really loved how you touched upon the eco-friendly solutions. I'll come to that in just a bit, but I wanted to ask you, how can integrators address this growing need for environmental sustainability?
Well, in our opinion, I think it really starts with the customer, right? Who is allocating budget for projects? Who's really spending their money, right? And what are their goals? What are their business needs? And what constraints are present in their physical environment? Projects that we get involved with are done in new buildings where things are being designed very differently today with respect to codes, local standards, best practices. But they're also done in, our products are also installed every day in retrofits, existing structures, existing buildings, where their ability to support new tech can be hampered by the existing building infrastructure. So we really have to start, earlier in that conversation and understand kind of, okay, what are the parameters? What are the customer goals? What are their business needs? And then try to tailor solutions and installations back towards those business needs so that we're offered to, we're able to help our partners deliver better value to their customers.
That's amazing. Yeah, and I agree with you. So, my next question would be about the eco-friendly LED solutions. What are they and how can they help boost profitability?
Yeah, I think, I mean, in my opinion, I think it starts with, who the community is. First, you have the partners, right? The partners really have to, our systems integrators, which we're always, selling through or partnering with a systems integrator on any project that we're doing. They really have to, engage in a consultative sales process, clearly understand the customer needs and ensuring the solution meets their specific needs. The LED market, more importantly, products can be confusing to evaluate at times. Because of specification, there's a lot of different companies out there. People use different terminology depending on who you're speaking to. So it's really important for them to select the right partner and product that can make their proposal more valuable and compelling to their customer. And on the customer side, I think, many customers are starting to design with LEED certification in mind, right? The benefits here are tangible and, things from tax breaks, energy savings, which reduces their overall budget, and reduction in carbon footprint is important for all sizes of companies. We even have, as a small business, we have a sustainability policy and program in place here at Nanolumens. And when we talk to larger companies that are out there, the multinationals and the Fortune 500, they all are really thinking with the environment forward in their planning and how they're going to market. So ensuring that we're selecting the right LED product that supports the vision to secure these certifications will have a direct and indirect benefits for those customers.
Wow, that is amazing. And I'm so glad to see Nanolumen's focus on sustainability and eco-friendly solutions. I think that's fantastic. Just as we wrap up, I want to ask, is there anything that I have not asked that you would like to spotlight for this video?
Sure. Well, I think first and foremost, I think everybody in the industry has their eyes on InfoComm coming up in June. I know we do. So we'd invite everybody who sees this and your readers to stop by. We'll be in West Hall through 7/17, and really just keep an eye on what Nanolumens is doing. We've had a tremendous run over the past 3 years. We've introduced a number of very interesting and innovative technology solutions, and more are planned. We'll be showing a number of these at InfoComm this year. But last year we showed, the first flexible 0.9, LED board ever in the industry. And that's been a huge, we've seen a huge response to that from our customer base, whether that be designers, consultants, and channel partners. We've also, very excited about showing a full lineup of our Engage Pro this year, which is our chip on board, very eco-friendly solution. And we're focused on moving the industry forward with better solutions and, more importantly, better support for our channel partners and facility designers. And we're super excited about showing after, exhibiting with our 0.9 Nixel Flex last year and showing the tightest, resolution flexible board. I think this year we're going to wow the industry again with probably the tightest curved screen that's ever been shown at a domestic trade show. So we're very excited about the upcoming show, and we just invite everybody to keep an eye on what we're doing. Follow us on LinkedIn, and we'd love to connect with the community of designers and systems integrators that are focused on direct view LED in the industry.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And we look forward to how everything is going to be at InfoComm with the LED market space, video wall, and digital signage. So thank you so much, Kurt, for joining us today. It was a real pleasure to have you.
My pleasure. Thanks for having us today, and I hope you have a great day.
Absolutely. Again, this is Amla Reddy from Commercial Integrator, and our video wall digital signage deep dive coverage will be in the April spotlight on commercialintegrator.com. Also, check out the video wall digital signage deep dive itself in the April issue of Commercial Integrator and Security Sales and Integration. Thank you.